Merry Christmas. I am brewing some coffee because that needs to happen. I hope all of you had an enjoyable Christmas Eve. It is beautiful out there today. Absolutely gorgeous, and I'm going to show you by going out there and flying some FPV. Pardon me, everybody in this house is just starting to wake up here. But I repaired the Mobula last night. A little bit of Scotch tape. Asked my dad to get some super glue so I can finish repairing the frame, but for right now Scotch tape will hold, and I was able to find another rubber band to hold the batteries in, so may not match, but you know what, at least we can terrorize some more. These two I haven't even broken out yet or charged any of those batteries, so. And the Bebop is charged, but I'm going to take that down later to get some shots of a resort that I want to check out, so I'm going to leave that fully charged, even though it's nice outside right now. The sun's out, we're going to wait. So I'm gonna have a little breakfast. I'll see you guys in a minute. I dived this big condo yesterday, and I'm gonna dive it again today with the Mobula. The Mobula 7 on 2S setup, if you guys can see that. I fixed it, I repaired it, a little bit of Scotch tape there on the front if you can see that, holding the frame together, and then I got a new rubber band, so I'm gonna try to tackle this a couple times here today and see how things go. That's a pretty high structure, but I think the Mobula 7 shouldn't have any problems. I'm gonna work on my straight down dive because I always angle it. You gotta remember, with whoops, they'll blow out real easy. If you don't come down at like a super straight angle, the whoop will actually blow out, causing it to oscillate, and then it won't recover and it'll just slam into the ground really hard. So with these whoop styles, right, you have to come down at an angle, but right as you're about to hit the ground, you have to slowly start pulling up on the pitch to slow it down, otherwise it's just gonna crank head first into the ground. So that's a pretty tall structure, but let's go ahead and take this, and I did it last night, so I know it works. It's probably gonna be a little easier to see today, and the wind is low, so I'm gonna fly now. If I wait till later, I'm just gonna be screwed because it's gonna be too windy. So let's get this to the top of there and have some fun. I'll see you guys in a minute. Depressing, very depressing. I just realized one of the motor wires on the red side got ripped out, and I don't know if it's fixable. Maybe not here, maybe at home fixable, maybe not here. I'm gonna try to go down and get some tools and do some specific surgery because I'd hate to be stuck here without being able to fly this because of one crash. The one time I take it out to have some fun. That's really depressing on Christmas. I didn't want to hear this. So I'm gonna go drink coffee, I'm gonna think about my situation, I'm gonna see if maybe I can strip a motor off of here because they run about the same kV, almost the same weight. They should handle it. Those are 16, these are 19, this can handle up to 1900 kV. So on 2S, so I think I could probably strip the Ion, which I haven't been able to get working again, and just take the motor off it and swap it over to the Mobula for now and actually fly. We'll see. I need tiny screwdrivers and all sorts of fun stuff. I'm gonna try to get this fixed before we roll, but I'm gonna get back to Christmas and I'll see you guys in a sec. See here. Alright, so I've taken the motor out of the Ion 75. It is a 1900 kV, and this was the beta, the Mobula was a 1600 kV, but apparently this can handle 1900 kV, 1600 through 1900. So I went ahead and took the motor off of the Ion 75, and surprisingly, it fit on there very well. It's almost identical too. The connections are almost identical. The headpiece obviously is missing a few holes, but it's the same width and base, same size, same shaft motor, same everything. So I went ahead and plugged it in and put in the new screws. I had to do everything with my little multi-tool here, my Sheffield multi-tool. And now we're going to push the prop on there and make sure that goes on there how it should. Boom, look at that. Let's see if it's sitting higher than the other one. Nope, we're good to go. I think I can actually fly it like this. I think we'll be good to go. It should handle it. And Scotch tape was holding, so hey, maybe we'll have another opportunity to dive this building and see what happens. Sweet.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Never, never let you go. For me, I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.
Go home, folks.